Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. Myself Pushpendra Kumar, Assistant Professor in Civil Department. Students, in last lecture we discussed about the topic ferrocement, properties and selection criteria, in which we discussed how to make ferrocement and which material used in making ferrocement. Today we will discuss on the topic cement based and polymer modified mortar, etc. Subject repair and rehabilitation of structures. Background of fiber reinforced concrete. Portland cement concrete is considered to be a relatively brittle material when subjected to tensile stresses. Non-reinforced concrete will creak, and since mid 1800s, steel reinforcement has been used to overcome this problem. As a composite system, the reinforcing steel is assumed to carry all tensile loads. Students, we know that cement concrete weak in tension, while reinforced steel weak in compression. जो भी हमारी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट होती है, कंस्ट्रक्शन बिल्डिंग होती है, उस पर टेंसाइल लोड भी आते हैं और कंप्रेशन लोड भी आते हैं. तो टेंसाइल लोड को रेजिस्ट करने के लिए हम रेनफोर्समेंट प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं और कंप्रेशन लोड को रेजिस्ट करने के लिए हम कंक्रीट, सीमेंट कंक्रीट प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं. ठीक है. द प्रॉब्लम विथ एम्प्लॉइंग स्टील इन कंक्रीट इज दैट ओवर टाइम स्टील corrodes due to the ingress of chloride ions. In the northeast, where sodium chloride de-icing salts are commonly used and a large amount of coastal areas exists, chlorides are readily available for penetration into concrete to promote corrosion, which favors the formation of rust. Rust has a volume between 4 to 10 times the iron, which dissolves to form it. The volume expansion produces large tensile stresses in the concrete, which initiates cracks and results in concrete spilling from the surface. Although some measures are available to reduce corrosion of steel in concrete, such as corrosion inhibitive admixtures and coatings, a better and permanent solution may be replace the steel with a reinforcement that is less environmentally sensitive. FRC is Portland cement concrete reinforced with more or less randomly distributed fibers. In FRC, thousands of small fibers are dispersed and distributed randomly in the concrete during mixing and thus improve concrete properties in all directions. Fiber helps to improve the post-peak ductility performance, pre-crack tensile strength, fatigue strength, impact strength, and eliminate temperature and shrinkage cracks. Fiber reinforced concrete. Fiber reinforced concrete can be defined as a composite material consisting of mixtures of cement, mortar, or concrete and discontinuous, discrete, uniformly dispersed suitable fibers. Fiber is a small piece of reinforcing material possessing certain characteristics properties. They can be circular or flat. The fiber is often described by a convenient parameter called aspect ratio. The aspect ratio of the fiber is the ratio of its length to its diameter. Fiber reinforced concrete is concrete containing fibrous material which increases its structural integrity It contains short discrete fiber that are uniformly distributed and randomly oriented. Fibers include steel fibers, glass fibers, synthetic fibers, and natural fibers. Within these different fibers, that character of fiber reinforced concrete changes with varying concrete's fiber material. फाइबर रेनफोर्स्ड कंक्रीट, ये डायग्राम है, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं फाइबर रेनफोर्स्ड कंक्रीट को। ये जो अंदर आप देख रहे हैं ये क्या है, फाइबर। फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एफआरसी, वॉल्यूम ऑफ फाइबर। एफआरसी को क्या क्या फैक्टर है जो अफेक्ट करते हैं? फर्स्ट है वॉल्यूम ऑफ फाइबर, सेकंड एस्पेक्ट रेशियो ऑफ फाइबर, orientation of fiber, size of coarse aggregate, workability and compaction of concrete and mixing. फाइबर को हम कैसे लगा सकते हैं? तो ये अपने पहले ये देख लेते हैं लोड का जो डायरेक्शन है, ठीक है। लोड एक तो पैरेलल आता है स्ट्रक्चर पे, एक परपेंडिकुलर आता है और एक रैंडमली आता है। डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फाइबर, स्टील फाइबर रेनफोर्स्ड कंक्रीट, पॉलीप्रोपिलीन फाइबर रेनफोर्स्ड सीमेंट मोर्टार एंड कंक्रीट, ग्लास फाइबर रेनफोर्स्ड कंक्रीट, एस्बेस्टोस फाइबर्स, कार्बन फाइबर्स। अब एक एक के बारे में देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। स्टील फाइबर रेनफोर्स्ड कंक्रीट, दिस टाइप ऑफ कंक्रीट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग स्टील फाइबर्स in the ingredient of concrete. A number of steel fibers are available as reinforcement such as round steel fiber, straight deformed variable cross section and glued bundles of steel fibers. It has a tendency to cluster together which creates difficulties in ensuring their uniform random distribution in concrete. Their difficulty is overcome by using fiber bundles. By addition of 2 to 3% of fiber by volume, it is possible to achieve 2 to 3 times increase in the flexural strength of concrete and substantial increase in explosion resistance, crack resistance. Applications: construction of pavements, bridge decks, tunnels, lining. Second, polypropylene fiber reinforced cement mortar and concrete. Polypropylene is one of the cheapest and abundantly available polymer. Polypropylene fibers are resistant to most chemical. Their addition to concrete has shown better distribute cracking and reduce the crack size. The amount of plastic fibers added to concrete is about 0.25 to 1% by volume. Third, glass fiber reinforced concrete. Glass fiber reinforced concrete is mostly used for decorative purposes rather than structural purposes. Structural purpose. Glass fiber is made up from 200 to 400 individual filaments which are lightly bonded to make up a strand. This strand can be chopped into various lengths or combined to make cloth, mat or tape. Using the conventional mixing techniques for normal concrete, it is not possible to mix more than about 2% by volume of fiber of a length of 25 mm. Applications: roofing elements, sewer lining, swimming pools and tank, etc. Asbestos fibers. The naturally available inexpensive mineral fiber asbestos has been successfully combined with Portland cement paste to form a widely used product called asbestos cement. Asbestos fibers have thermal, mechanical and chemical resistance, making them suitable for sheet product pipes, tiles and corrugated roofing elements. However, due to relatively short length 10 mm, the fiber have low impact strength. Last, carbon fiber. Carbon fibers from the most recent and probability the most spectacular addition to the range of fiber available for commercial use. Carbon fiber comes under the very high modulus of elasticity and flexural strength. These are expensive and availability of carbon fiber in India is limited. Their strength and stiffness characteristics have been found to be superior even to those of steel. Types of fiber: steel fiber and glass fiber, carbon fiber and cellulose fiber, polypropylene fiber एंड नाइलॉन फाइबर्स. ये हो गया स्टूडेंट्स सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स. सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स. नेचुरल फाइबर्स की बात करें तो कोर एंड हे. एडवांटेज ऑफ FRC: रिडक्शन इन श्रिंकेज एंड क्रैकिंग, इम्प्रूवमेंट इन बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ, बेटर टफनेस, लोअर परमिएबिलिटी ऑफ कंक्रीट. एप्लीकेशन की बात करें तो हाइड्रोलिक स्ट्रक्चर, हाईवे पेवमेंट्स, ब्रिज डेक्स, टनल लाइनिंग एंड रिपेयर एंड रिहेबिलाइजेशन. स्टूडेंट्स, आज के वीडियो में हमने क्या पढ़ा? फाइबर रेनफोर्स कंक्रीट के बारे में पढ़ा. ठीक है ना. फाइबर रेनफोर्स जो कंक्रीट है ये कितने प्रकार का होता है, ठीक है, कौन कौन से फैक्टर इसको अफेक्ट करते हैं और इसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है. ये क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? सीमेंट बेस्ड, क्योंकि हमको इसमें किसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है? सीमेंट और रेनफोर्समेंट की. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.